Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the witch from Among Us. So let's get started. To draw this cool witch skin from Among Us, let's first start by drawing the visor helmet area. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And because the visor area is cut off by the hat, I'm not going to go your usual route where you draw the curve at the top. So just going to draw a very slight curve right here. And start to bring it down. I'm going to go right across, say about, just imagining if you were drawing the actual visor, say about right here, right in the same level. And I'm going to finish off this ovalish shape and connect it. So if you're using a pencil, definitely just go ahead and draw like you would usually draw the visor area and complete it. Then you can cut it off later with the curve of the hat. But since I can't erase, I'll have to start like this. Okay, so I have that shape in. I'm going to come out, come to the center area, come out to about this much. And I'll start to draw my body area, this curve. Imagine this coming down about right here. And so I'm going to bring this curve back up to about the same level. And right here, I'm going to draw a curve for our witch's hat right on top of this visor. So I'm going to go up. So let's bring this up. And before I finish this curve, so I know how far out to bring the hat's, the rim, I'm going to come back. So imagine this coming through, say about right here. Imagine this coming through right here, the hat. I'm going to give myself 2 points. From there, I'm going to bring this up. So we're going to start to draw the hat, the peak, and go up. And so then now I can go ahead and finish the rim of our, about this much, and then just bring it right back in. So same thing, imagine going through. Get a little tip right there, soften the tip and connect. So whatever space you have left, just finish it off. Okay, so then let's finish the hat. So let's bring this all the way up, about that much. And right here, I'm going to bring this down and go up. This is going to come down right there, and we're going to start to zigzag this shape right here. So I'll give it a little tip right here, curve, and bring it down. There. And if you like, you can draw some details right here. Just draw a little curve, finish it up. And now let's just come here and draw a curve right here. And we're done with the witch's hat. And so let's bring this body down a bit more. And once again, I'm going to come about right here, come down, say about this much. And this is going to be where the legs start. So I'm going to draw a curve right across. And right here, come down. And we're going to draw the legs and round it off. So thank you for all your encouragement to keep drawing Among Us characters for you and letting me know which ones you want me to draw. And so this leg right here is going to be slightly shorter and connect. Okay, and then let's draw the pack. So right here, about the center of this visor area, we're going to come draw a curve. And about right there, bring it in. And that would be your basic Witch Among Us hat right there. So now, of course, I'm going to spruce it up, just like my werewolf and my devil skin that I just drew. So let's come about right here. And hopefully you love how this looks. I'm just going to add a little outfit here for our witch. So about right here in the center, give myself a point. I'm just going to draw a curve that comes down. So it's kind of like her robe area. And then about in this area, I'm gonna come across and just draw kind of like a belt to break it up. And then we're going to, let's see here, let's draw some X's in here. And one more. There. Now hopefully that looks like a witch. And let's see. Of course we have to have this witch holding a broom, right? So right in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a hand. So let's draw a thumb, curve, go around, and the 3 ovals. And a smaller one right here. And then let's bring in the broomstick area right in the hand. And I'm going to bring it all the way down to the leg area. About right there, and connect it. So let's bring this up, continuing our angle. About right there, I'm going to stop and say about right here. In the center, I'm just going to go ahead and zigzag the beginning of our broom area, and then from there, I'm going to go up to start to draw our broom. So we're still at the same angle, just remember that. And about right there, I'll stop, and at the top right here, just zigzag all the way across. And for some details, you can come right here and draw a curve to finish off our broom. Maybe add some lines right here, just flick it down. Some longer, some shorter, just to give it some texture. So there, that is pretty much it for this witch skin from Among Us that I've spruced up a bit. I really hope you love how it turned out, just like my werewolf and my devil and all the other Among Us characters that I've drawn so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.